Hello, this is Rigard tutor on the placement. My name is Geneva Yesteros Claro. I am 23 years old and currently live in the municipality of El Tarra, north of Santander. I work on my own denim of women's clothes. I like my beautiful family made of my husband Jose Leonardo and my son Matias. I studied ninth semester of Business Administration at the University of Ocaña. The Church of Lady of the Graces of the Torcoroma, also known of the Sanctuary of the Water of the Virgin, is a city of veneration for the invocation of the Virgin of the Torcoroma, located in Ocaña, north of Santander. Because of its historical and cultural importance for the city of Ocaña and the department, the Colombia government included its national monument on the 26th of November of 1984. The only operation occurred on August 16 of 2711. Discovered by the Modesta and Christian family composed of Cristobal Melo, his wife Pascual Rodriguez, and their children Felipe and Jose. Tossing in share of one the carving and canoe in the Torcoroma mountain, discovered in one of the sprinters of the tree the image of Mary, the Immaculate together, and their hands of their cheeks with the action of the face as included to the sky. Recent thing on the site of the operation of temple was built is currently held in the Sanctuary of the Water of the Virgin and its pilgrimage or seat the Ocañeros in Florida. You can access the car on the paved road or the walking tour of the mountain. Finally, I invited my colleagues to visit the beautiful sanctuary that is only 20 minutes for the town center and parent and please devotion of the entry community of Ocaña. And you can also enjoy a delicious climate and observe beautiful landscapes. Thank you very much.